This is the Philips air fryer, a fryer that fries food with air instead of oil. Basically, the device uses air to fry food in its own grease, a revolutionary technology that could definitely change the way we eat. But what's the point of such an amazing technology if no one knows about it? We decided to launch something everyone knew about, a new frying oil, only with a little twist. Introducing Air Oil, the only frying oil made out of pure air. Essentially, an empty bottle. A very surprising way to advertise the air fryer and target potential consumers at the exact moment they're buying regular oil. From the streets to the supermarkets, we promoted and distributed air oil everywhere. This empty bottle helped us demonstrate in a very tangible way how the air fryer works. And most importantly, it helped us sell it. Using the bottle as a voucher, we redirected people towards the electronic department where they could redeem their discount on the air fryer. Which they did. Philips air fryer. Air is the new oil. Air oil. Now available in 5 liters.